Hey everybody, welcome back to First Tries Cooking. Got an interesting one for you today. Today we're actually not going to be cooking, we're going to be fermenting. And I'm not talking about alcohol, I'm talking about vegetables. We're going to be using a method called lactobacillus fermenting. We're making a habanero hot sauce that's fermented, not with the vinegar, the usual vinegar and things like that. It's basically just 4 ingredients. We got sweet peppers, habaneros, garlic, and kosher salt. I'll show you what the amounts and how to make it. But yeah, I found this recipe looking for a sous vide recipe for making carnitas because I love carnitas. And they recommended using this hot sauce. It takes a little while to make. It takes at least a week, they say. But the longer you let it sit, the better it tastes from what I hear. So we're going to give this a try. Okay, as I mentioned, for this recipe we're using half a pound of sweet peppers. These came in a bag. I've rinsed them off. You don't want to blanch or any of that. You want the bacteria in the vegetables to be alive and healthy. I've got 4 habaneros here, 6 cloves of garlic, and kosher salt. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the garlic cloves. I'm doing that first because if there's one thing I like, it's the smell of garlic. So to do that, I'm just basically going to remove both ends. I give it a good smash, and that should release the steam, so let's give that a shot. There we go. Easy peasy. Okay, we've got our 6 cloves of garlic in here, and basically I'm just going to cut off enough at the top to get rid of the stem. Alright, now for the star of the show, we're going to cut up the habaneros. Just cut the tops off and leaving most of the seeds in the membrane in there. Now, the recipe that I found for this calls for 15 grams of kosher salt. And I did some research, and that is about 3.5 teaspoons. So we're going to do that. So a teaspoon. And if there's oil extra in there, I'm sure it'll kill anybody. This is done. So let's take this over to the food processor and give it a whirl. I'm going to get this put into a jar, and we're going to let the bacteria do its thing. Alright, so we have it in the jar, and it looks beautiful. It's just this really nice orangey color. I tasted a little bit, and it tastes good already. It's got some kick, for sure. But so we're going to take the lid, we're going to put it on, but because it's fermenting, the bacteria are going to release gas, so you don't want it tight. Otherwise, you're going to have to burp it at least once a day. So I'm just going to leave it a little loose. And you don't want to put it in the refrigerator because that'll slow down the fermentation process. And we want this stuff fermented. It's going to take a week already, at least a week, it says. And so I'm going to put this in the pantry because it's dark in there most of the time. I think that'd be a good place for it. So I'll check back with you in a few days, and we'll give this thing a sniff. It smells great already with the garlic and the peppers. Next time you see us, it'll be a few days, and we're going to check back. Alright, so quick update on the hot sauce. It's been just over a week. It's Saturday, and I started it a week ago Friday. I don't know what the fermenting is supposed to do. I was expecting it to bubble or something, but it still smells good. I keep checking on it every day, but I'm going to give it a little more time and see what it does. Alright, so I'm going to try this fermented habanero hot sauce on mine. I've got some onions. I don't have any guacamole, but that's okay. I'll get that in just a second.
Good stuff, huh?
Wow. That has so much flavor.
Spicy?
It's not really that spicy when you've got it mixed in with everything. I mean, it's got some heat, but it just adds a lot of flavor. That and the lime juice that's in the guacamole. And
That's a good flavor.
the lime juice that's in the guacamole and
I'll put
the
squash on
onions
my
and all
other
that.
one.
So, yeah, I'll give those 2 thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
If you liked the video, slap the like button, smash the subscribe button, and kick the notification bell.
Right. All right, thanks everybody. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.